Annyeonghaseyo, dolallycrafts, Karenimnida. Hi and welcome to another card making tutorial at dolallycrafts. This is a really quick one for a Sunday, only because it's being filmed on a Saturday and I have other things I need to get out and do. So we're using the Heartwarming Hugs DSP pack. I'm using the beautiful red and green foil paper for this card, and I'm also using the Wrapped in Christmas stamp set. I'm using It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year and Peace on Earth. As I said, it's a really quick card today. I've already finished doing the inside and I think it looks really cute. So let's get the rest of it together. It will come together very quickly, this card. All you need to do is have it all set out, ready to go. Just cut all your papers to size. All the sizes can be found down below. Just click on the link that takes you straight to my blog post and it will be this card. And yes, I've got real red all over my fingers. Okay, so I'm just going to run down all four sides of the DSP. Whoops. And just pop this on the front of the card. And there's approximately a 1/8 inch border all the way around, as you can see. Now I'm going to bring in the Whisper White piece, and it has been embossed, as you can see, with the snowflakes from the snowflake embossing folder from Stampin'. So this will be affixed straight to the green foil paper. Sorry, lost my train of thought there. Okay, so we're going to pop this on the front of this one. Once again, a 1/8 inch border all the way around, and that will sit there really nicely, but it will actually go up on dimensionals. Now I'm going to bring in these already stamped and embossed pieces. This is using the Most Wonderful Time stamp set, and all I've done is used Whisper White paper and just done embossing with the Versamark and the Real Red and the Versamark and I think it's Granny Apple Green, because that's, as I said, the main colours in here. And all I did was did the Versamark, then one of the two colours, straight onto the Whisper White and then covered with clear embossing powder, and you get really nice embossed images. So these are just going to go across the front of the card. I'm turning it on its side. I did a very faint line across there with my ruler and a pencil, and then erased most of the pencil mark. Now I'm just looking for my here we go, my dimensionals. So I'm going to pop a dimensional on the back of each of the parcels, and they come together. This, as I said, this card, once you've got all the prep done, they come together so quickly. So I'm just lining these two green parcels at either side along that line, like so, and then coming with the red parcel and just pop that in the middle there. There we go, straight across the front there. And then I've already stamped the Peace on Earth. I did it off camera because I used such a thin piece of scrap Whisper White that I needed to get my head right over the top. So yeah, that's why that has already been done off camera. So we'll just pop 3 dimensionals. Probably could have gotten away with 2, but never mind. And then I'm just going to line that up. I actually think the Peace on Earth is probably straighter than the parcels, despite my pencil mark, but that's because this one is twisted slightly. There we go. That looks better. Okay, I'm going to flip that over. Now I've got a scrap piece of our sticky foam sheets, and I'm just going to cut 2 strips off this scrap. Never throw any of your scraps out as far as these foam adhesive sheets go, because you will be able to use even the smallest pieces on cards. So pop that aside, and I'm just using 5 of these, and I'm using these because they're that little bit bigger than the dimensionals, so they'll give more coverage. And then just one in the middle for support. Peel these off. Like so. Bring our card back in. Make sure I've got this up the right way. Whoops, stuck down too quickly then. And then I'm just going to work out that that's fairly centered, like so. And there we go. And that is our card finished. Now, I wasn't working blind. I'd actually made this one off camera before. But I decided to add some of the DSP to it just to give it a bit more oomph. I really love the way both cards have turned out. I love the green behind there, and I'm not a green girl, but I think on camera that looks gorgeous. I know it doesn't match really well with the Granny Apple green, but I really do like the way both of those cards have turned out. Really simple cards, and look at that, this whole thing was done in under 10 minutes. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed today's demo and you'll give me a thumbs up. If you want to buy any of these products, go straight down to the link in the description, which is my Shop With Me link. It will take you straight to my store. Now, one thing I will mention, at the moment Stampin' Up is having an end of year sale. So the majority of the products I've used today are actually being sold at a huge discount. So pop on over there and place your orders, and I will give you a thumbs up. Okay, that's enough from me for today. I will see you in tomorrow's demonstration. Until then, bye bye. Annyeong.